As the world population grows, sustainability in agriculture has become more important than ever. 4R nutrient stewardship provides farmers with a framework to protect our soil, water, and air. These best management practices enhance the productivity and profitability of our farms and helps ensure the future of the agriculture industry. 4R nutrient stewardship is based on a simple concept. Sustainable fertilizer use can be achieved by applying the right source at the right rate, right time, and right place. A group of researchers funded by the Canadian Fertilizer Institute have found that by implementing the 4Rs, Canadian growers can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and, at the same time, increase yields on their farms. This Science Cluster program performs scientific research for projects in Ontario, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta, and is connected to a series of other Canadian projects called Farming for Our Future. Across Canada, agri-retailers, scientific researchers, agronomists, and growers are empowering farmers to manage nutrients through 4R nutrient stewardship to ensure the protection of the environment and the production of safe food.
Well, here at the University of Manitoba, we've been involved with the 4R Nutrient Stewardship Management Program, evaluating various practices of fertilizer utilization in agriculture for the benefit of reduction of greenhouse gases, and particularly nitrous oxide. So for the past 2 years, with colleagues at the university and also with Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada, we've been investigating the benefit of putting fertilizer into the soil as bands compared to broadcast and general incorporation into soil. So we are finding that the benefit of placement is to reduce nitrous oxide emissions soon after fertilizer placement, particularly if the soil is wet. So the idea with banding of soil is that basically you knife into the soil a blade and then drop the fertilizer into a narrow slot, and then it gets covered up. That nitrogen is more concentrated and slows down the transformation. So when it goes into wet soil, that fertilizer is a band. The moisture, which encourages nitrous oxide emissions, is not effective in producing nitrous oxide, okay? Because the transformations are not occurring because the band is preserving the nitrogen. This is very important because in Canada, about 10% of our total greenhouse gas emissions comes from agriculture, and about 60% of that is related with nitrous oxide emissions from the soil. So what we're doing here with the 4Rs is very important and a very good step in, well, improving our future in Canada.
For more information about the 4R Nutrient Stewardship Program, please visit farmingforourfuture.ca.